Hey y'all, what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I'm here with a different kind of video. A while ago, I did my fries or whatever grocery store hauls, and I stopped doing them for a little while just because I wanted to get home, get stuff put away, and life is always a rush. And I thought, life doesn't always have to be a rush. So today, even though I have absolutely no time, I decided to show you guys some of the absolutely best deals that Fry's has. So this is not my whole entire grocery shopping trip, but this is just a couple of things. Sorry, I'm looking down my receipt. These are just a couple of things that I found that have absolutely amazing deals. So we do shop at Fry's. We have found that no matter what, so in our town, we have a Fry's, an Albertsons, a Safeway, and a Walmart. So we have found that by far Fry's is the cheapest in everything. Like the Safeway is closer to us, and we will not shop at the Safeway. It's horribly expensive. And Walmart, still not so much because it doesn't have the deals like Fry's does, but Walmart has the best cereal deals. Well, other than the Dollar Tree, but they have the best cereal deals. So it is on the way to the Fry's. So I will make 2 stops if I have to. We don't need cereal right now, so there's not any, but I will make the stop if I have to because I'm all about trying to save money. I'm really trying to learn to coupon. Still not doing it, but I'm trying to learn how to do it. But so in our Fry's section, in our Fry's store, we have one aisle that has like a clearance frozen food section, and then we have another aisle that has just like the regular clearance items. So what I'm going to show you today, again, is not my whole haul because, kind of like you don't want to see the hot dog buns. Who cares, Anyways, but I did want to show you the couple of things that I picked up on clearance. So I did pick these up. So they also had this suddenly salad, and I know you can get it at the Dollar Tree. They had it in Caesar. I've never tried Caesar. I've heard anchovies, and never again have I been able to try it. But so they had a Caesar one, which I did not get. But this is the ranch and bacon, and it is 7.5 ounces, and it's by Betty Crocker. And it is normally $2.99, and they have it for 98 cents. Again, you can get this at the Dollar Tree, but I was there. Sometimes they carry it, sometimes they don't. I do like it because I can make this as a side, or I have added chicken or ham to this before, and it's really good. And so it's a meal. So I did pick up 2 boxes because 1 box is not a meal for my family. But again, 98 cents each. Oopsie. This I thought was like the killer deal. We do not buy like a lot of pre-made meals kind of thing. And I try to cook as much as I can. Sometimes I'll cook 3 meals at once and put it in the fridge or the freezer, and then my husband or someone will pull it out and cook it. And we definitely try not to eat out. But I found this and I was like, there's no way that I can pass this up. I bought 2 of them. There was more. And I'm like, no, Amy, don't get all of them, but I wanted to. So this is by Stouffer's. It is the chicken parmesan. I've never had it, but it can't be too bad. I mean, I don't know. Anyways, it was $5. Let's see. It was like 4 something. Yeah, $4.79 is what this was. And it is 4 servings. So it is 3 pounds, 4.5 ounces. It's the large family size. It says 25% more chicken. So I guess 4 servings means there's 4 pieces of chicken. I was trying to see how many pieces of chicken, but Amy, makes sense. So $4, this was less than $5 to get a meal for 4. So it will feed me, my husband, and my youngest son who lives at home, and then it will be enough for my husband to take leftovers to work the next day. So I got 2 of those because that's, I think, an amazing deal. So we can make macaroni and cheese from the box anytime. But I found this, and it's the Stouffer's macaroni and cheese, 100% real cheese, and it is 12 ounces, and this one was $1.29. And how easy is this? So my youngest son cannot cook macaroni. I don't think he can, he can cook some stuff, but macaroni is a big fat no. So if I'm heading home from work or something, and I want him to throw something on the stove, I don't know, anything, I can have him, so this goes straight into the microwave. Let's see. I'm trying to see where you can cook it at. So conventional oven or, microwave or conventional oven. So this is a side. So I picked up 3 of these because this is a side that is easy. Like macaroni and cheese is easy, but sometimes we got 10 minutes between getting home from work, leaving here to go to our softball game, or leaving here to go to our kickball game, or leaving here to live life, whatever it is. And again, even in that 10 minutes, I do not want to have to eat out. So I picked this up again, $1.29, and this will definitely be a side for all of us. And so again, it's a freshly made pasta in real cheddar cheese. And I picked up some too because my oldest son, he lives by himself, loves macaroni and cheese, but how easy is this? He can just throw it in the microwave, start getting ready for work, eat this, and then head to work. So easy. He doesn't need a pan. He doesn't need anything. So I got that. So if you have college kids, these are the things. And I also got, this is a different one, cheddar potato bake. It's russet potatoes in a cheddar cheese sauce with bacon topped with breadcrumbs. And this is Stouffer's also. And this is 10 ounces. Again, I picked up 3 of these. And again, these were $1.29. Again, these are a side. Or if I don't want them to be a side, with what's in here, guys, I will throw some of these, maybe 1 or 2 of these into a pan, put some eggs in there, put some tortillas. Yes, there is a big old breakfast with some, it can be just regular breakfast, or I can make some breakfast burritos. So love this. I got 3 of those also because I think that's a really good deal. Like I said, just easy sides, and they go in the freezer. So they last, I don't want to say forever, but they last a long time. They're not going to go bad very fast. So they can go in the freezer for when you're like, oh crap, I forgot to pull something out for dinner. Grab that. So I also did pick up, do these show me what they normally are? I'm sorry. So they do. Let's go back real quick. Really quick. So I saved $1.30 on this. So they're normally $2.60. Same thing on this one. So I saved $1, and so it was 50% off these, and it was 50% off the chicken parmesan. So the chicken parmesan is normally $10, and these are normally $2.60. So I got them 50% off, which is a good deal. This is the Back to Nature plants-based snacks, peanut butter granola clusters, 11 ounces. I love to put granola into my yogurt. Love it. And so this was normally $3.35, and I got it for $1.69. So I buy usually the Bare Naked granola. I mean, that's $3. I mean, I bought this for $1.69 for the same bag. Of course, I don't care. It's peanut butter. I love peanut butter. I got it. Yeah, I got it. So keep on moving. Oopsie. So I did pick up 3. I don't know what the third one is, but I'm sure you know what a toothbrush looks like. These were 88 cents each. Normally, and you can get them at the Dollar Tree, but not for $1. I mean, oh, hello. Not for 88 cents, but you can probably get more. Again, I was there. So these are just soft tip Colgate Plus. I picked up 3 because when my oldest son comes home, sometimes he comes over to do laundry. Again, this is a good idea if you have somebody in college or just lives by themselves. So every time he comes to do laundry or something, I pack him a little bag to go. I have so much stuff. I pack him some candles, sometimes a little plug-in things for I bought him the plug-ins. So sometimes I'll just give him the refills, toothbrushes, toothpaste, just throw them in a bag, send them home with them, because these are things that kids do not think of. They go out, they do whatever, and they're like, whoa, gosh, I forgot to buy my toothpaste. So mom thinks of it. So 88 cents, bought 3. Amazing deal. These were also in the frozen food clearance section, and I needed this because I'm going to be making a strawberry flan cake. First time ever. I'll be making it tonight. If it comes out, I'll video it and you will see it. If it doesn't come out, well, then you'll know that I attempted it. So this is just the Kroger brand, and it was 50 cents, so I bought 2. And whipped cream works amazing in the freezer. We are having the getting laid party this weekend at my house, so I will probably do some sort of Jell-O salad or something, and so I figured the other one I can use for that. This is by Kroger. I love the extra creamy. If you have never had the extra creamy, there's a difference. There's a huge difference, and this is 8 ounces. So I got this for 50 cents and the other one for 50 cents. And these are good until August 10th of 2023. So they're not going bad. They're just clearing stuff out. Third toothbrush. So this one smells amazing, guys. I already smelt it. Oh my gosh. So I got this for 70 cents. And it is normally, give me 1 second here. Sorry, my lips are so dry. So I'm sorry that I keep messing with my lips. But anyways, I don't see it on here, but I know Anyways, I know I keep saying that, but anyways, it was 70 cents. I believe it's like $2.30. Normally, this is the Dial hand soap, creamy aloe, limited edition, 17 fluid ounces. Guys, smells amazing. So I'll just dump this as my soap refill. I know Dollar Tree had some. I didn't find them in my section or in my Dollar Tree for $1. I'll pick them up. So I just thought these were cute. And we have a little bar that sits over here. And so I'm going to put them up there. These are normally $1 and they are 69 cents. They're 12 counts and they're just the beverage napkins. So they're the smaller ones, but how cute are those? And like I said, I'm just going to stick them in my little bar over there and they're going to be cute for 69 cents. Yes, please. And then I thought this was an amazing deal. And I have been watching these, which is hilarious, but I was like, I'm just not going to pay that much. So these are normally, it says was $5.40, but that must have been on their last clearance because they were more than that. So now were $2.99. My youngest son loves basketball, absolutely loves basketball. And Phoenix Suns are his favorite team. And so DeAndre Ayton specifically is his favorite player. And so I'm lying. It's not DeAndre Ayton. He loves DeAndre Ayton, but now I can't remember. Devin Booker is his favorite player. So we did send both of my boys to one of the games for the finals. The reason only 2 of them went is because those tickets were expensive. But we sent those 2 to one. And so I just thought this would be good. Like, he can either wear it to school if he wants, or he's very picky. Gosh, kids are so picky. Anyways, it was $2.99. So picky. He's like, not wearing that to school. Whatever. But he'll wear it at home or to bed. I don't care. I thought it was cute. Got it for him. Going to put it on his bed. I got these cute little things. So again, my party is this weekend. And these are bamboo drink stirrers. And there's only 4 in here. But how cute. They say, let's see, but first cocktails, I don't give a sip. Drink happy thoughts and stir mix a lot. And they're just little bamboo stirrers that are normally $1. And I got them for 69 cents. So I got 3. I thought they were way cute. I can't wait to put them next to the little thingy. I did just pick these up. I don't know. I saw them. I thought of my patients that I have today, and I was like, oh my gosh, they would love them. So they are the high bounce, just little balls. So they were $1. They were not on clearance. And then in my mind, I thought, when they throw this little ball back, I have to catch it. So I never think of stuff at the time. I'm like, oh, that's cute. They'll have fun with that. I never think of who has to play that with them, because now I'm like, this is a high bounce. You take a high bounce ball with any child, let alone a child with ADHD or ADD or autism, and give them this, and that is a full-on gym workout for me. And so I was like, was that the smartest decision you've ever made, Amy? So we'll see how that goes, because I don't think it was the smartest decision I've ever made. Only have 2 more things. These were on sale, but not on clearance, but still, I wanted to show you. These are the ices, and let me show you this one, because these ones you can get from the Dollar Tree. But this one, I love, has a very high flavor. I love it. It is the fruit punch, and it is only 5 calories. And guys, these are 88 cents. So yes, I love getting them for $1 from the Dollar Tree, and usually $1 at Fry's, but 12 cents on each one I saved. So I got 10. So I saved over $1. So I got 1 free. So it was like buy 9, get 1 free. So I did get this. I got 5 fruit punch and 5 of the cherry limeades, because it seems like the lemonade I can find all over the Dollar Tree, but I can't find the other ones. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you guys is I did get these 0 sugar cherry energies by Coke, and they are 12 ounces. They have 0 calories and 0 sugar, but they do have, I think, aspartame or something. But I'm not sure. But anyways, I love them. I do not drink diet drinks. I can't take it. I cannot take diet drinks. But these guys, I don't think taste like a diet drink, and I love them. So for the people who say you should not drink energy drinks, I do not drink coffee. So I drink one of these every morning, and it's kind of like my coffee, or I won't get out of bed. But these are amazing, guys, so try them. They are normally $2.50 if you do not find them on sale. And then even when they're on sale, sometimes they're still $1.99. So when I find them for $1, I pick them up. But guys, that is my Fry's haul. I just wanted to show you those couple of things. I just wanted to tell you, make sure that you look through those clearance sections, because that is where, like, even my husband, who is not like, he's like, just because it's cheap doesn't mean it's good. No, that's not good because it doesn't, doesn't cost a lot. We're not doing our whole house in Dollar Tree because it's going to look cheap. All this stuff, right? Guys, he even now goes over there because, name brand stuff that's going to save us money. Yes, please. So like I said, make sure that you, in any grocery store you have, they will not have to, but they almost always have the frozen clearance section and the regular clearance section. So go check those out. And I hope you find some great deals, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.